Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ready to build something awesome? This is the FireFlow Fitness Analyzer, a super cool dashboard that uses AI to predict your calorie burn. Let's check it out and see why you gotta code this. Look at this. FireFlow's your AI fitness coach. On the side, drag sliders to add your info. I'm 25, 175 centimeters tall, 70 kilograms. Working out for 45 minutes with a 120 heart rate at 37.2 degrees temperature. Hit Analyze Metabolism and boom progress bar and balloons. Now Coaching Insights gives tips. Keep your heart rate at 72 to 96 beats per minute. Drink 150 milliliters of water every 10 minutes. Rest 24 hours active or 48 hours full. System Diagnostics says the AI's gradient boosting V2.3 last trained May 25, 2025 at 3:16 p.m. using 15,000 data points. Check live metrics. I burned 226 calories. That's like eating half a cupcake. The 4.5 gram fat equivalent means those calories melted some fat. Cardiac load shows my 120 beats per minute heart rate, and thermal output says 37.2 degrees Celsius with a 20% metabolic flux. That's how much my body's energy is revving up compared to a normal 37 degrees Celsius, like a turbo boost. Now, visualization mode is on fire. In CyberGym, a 3D graph shows your 226 calorie burn as a wavy surface. Higher means more calories. The blue line tracks heart rate and body temperature, glowing as you sweat. Spin it to check your workout's vibe. In BioLab, live cardiac rhythm graphs your heart rate pulsing, showing how hard your heart's working. Body thermal imaging is a heat map. Brighter spots mean warmer body parts. Energy matrix is a dial showing 227 calories with a negative 74 delta, meaning you burned 74 calories less than a 300-calorie benchmark. Maybe a chill workout, or you're super fit. Model insights? The AI's crazy accurate. Mean absolute error is 1.5 kilocalories, so predictions are off by just 1.5 calories on average. R-squared is 1. Perfect fit. Likely simplified data for this demo. The pie chart shows 93% of your burn comes from workout duration, 4% from heart rate, and other factors are tiny. If you found this project helpful and want the full source code, you can reach out to me directly on Fiverr. I'll be happy to help you with the code, customization, or even your own project idea. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world projects.